Most people think the only way to make money in trucking is to sit in the driver's seat yourself. But what if you could own the trucks, own the company name on the door, and never drive a single mile? In this video, I'll show you how to start a haulage company in the UK step by step and avoid the biggest mistakes new operators make. If you've ever thought, I want my own trucks, but I don't know where to start, this is for you. This is aimed at 3 types of people: UK HGV drivers who want to go from driver to owner, entrepreneurs who like transport but don't drive, and anyone who wants a trucking business without being the one behind the wheel. First, let's zoom out. The UK road freight market is massive. Almost everything you touch in shops and on sites got there on a truck. That means constant demand for reliable haulage companies. But here's the trap. Many beginners buy a truck first, and only afterwards try to figure out what work it will do, how it will make money, and how to stay compliant. Trucks don't pay you just for being shiny and expensive. Step 1 is not to buy a lorry. Step 1 is understanding the game you're entering. Who actually pays you? Where does the work come from? What types of haulage businesses exist? Broadly, you have general haulage and specialized niches. General haulage covers mixed goods, pallets and general freight. Niche haulage includes refrigerated work, containers, tankers, tippers, construction, ADR and more. You also have a choice of area: local and regional work with shorter runs and more drops, or national and international work with longer distances, higher mileage and more time away. Step 2 is strategy first, truck later. A haulage business should be built around a clear plan, not around a random lorry you happen to like. Ask yourself some simple questions. Are you going to own the vehicles, or run an asset-light model using subcontractors and owner-drivers? Are you chasing general freight, or focusing on a specific niche? Are you starting with one vehicle and growing slowly, or aiming for a small fleet? Your model decides how money flows, who carries the risk, and how fast you can scale. The truck should fit the plan, not the other way round. Step 3 is legal and compliance. In the UK, the operator's license is your golden ticket and your biggest potential headache. Without the correct license, you can't legally operate HGVs for hire or reward. You need to understand the basics: restricted, standard national and standard international licenses, what the Traffic Commissioner and DVSA care about, and the role of the Transport Manager CPC, who is responsible for keeping your operation compliant. If you get this wrong, they can curtail, suspend or revoke your license. Lose your license and your business stops overnight. Compliance is not optional, especially if you're a non-driving entrepreneur relying on other people's skills. Step 4 is the numbers. Before you commit to anything, you need a clear financial picture. What will it really cost you to start? And what can a truck actually earn in the UK market? You have fixed costs every month: finance or lease, insurance, office and systems. You have variable costs: fuel, tires, maintenance, tolls, parking and subcontractors. From this, you work out your cost per mile, your break-even point, and the rates you must charge to be profitable. Turnover can look impressive, but profit and cash flow are what keep your doors open. If the numbers don't work on paper, they won't magically work on the road. Step 5 is your team. Because you're not planning to drive, your biggest asset isn't horsepower, it's people. Your role is to own the business and make decisions, not to do every job yourself. A good transport manager is your compliance engine. Drivers are your front line and your reputation on the road. Admin and planning keep your paperwork and your loads under control. An accountant helps you stay on top of tax and cash. You don't have to do everything yourself, but you do have to understand what good looks like, so you can lead from the front and protect your license, your customers and your drivers. Step 6 is getting work and keeping the wheels turning. Work doesn't appear just because you bought a truck. You have to know where freight actually comes from. Freight in the UK usually flows through direct shippers, manufacturers, wholesalers and importers, freight forwarders and logistics companies, pallet networks and groupage operations, load boards and freight exchanges, and local businesses that need regular runs. Your goal is to move from random, one-off jobs to regular lanes, contracts and repeat customers. That means pricing properly, understanding how long customers take to pay, and managing cash so you can cover fuel and wages every week. Keeping your trucks loaded is both a sales job and a cash flow management job. Step 7 is scaling. Everyone dreams of a yard full of trucks, but more vehicles without systems just means more chaos. You're really ready to add a second vehicle when your first truck is consistently profitable. You have simple systems for maintenance, invoicing, compliance and booking jobs, and you know where the extra work will come from. Think about your fleet strategy, what type of vehicles to add next, and why. Think about your brand, how you stand out as a reliable, professional UK haulage company. Scaling from one truck to a real business isn't about chasing keys. It's about building systems, relationships and reputation. Let's quickly recap the big picture. Understand the UK haulage landscape. Choose the right business model and niche. Respect your license and compliance. Know your numbers and cost per mile. Build the right team. Find steady work. And scale with systems, not chaos. This video is just the overview. If you're serious about starting, building or growing a profitable haulage company in the UK without driving a single mile, you need a detailed roadmap. That's why I wrote UK Trucking Business Mastery for Entrepreneurs, the complete guide to starting, building, and growing a profitable haulage company in the UK without driving a single mile. Inside, you'll find plain English explanations of the UK market, license, DVSA and compliance. Simple, practical breakdowns of startup costs and business numbers. Guidance on business structure, insurance and back-office systems. Deep dives on transport managers, drivers, subcontractors and leadership. Real-world strategies for finding work, winning contracts and managing cash flow. And a 90-day action plan and launch readiness checklist so you know exactly what to do next. If you're ready to stop guessing, click the link in the description, grab your copy of UK Trucking Business Mastery for Entrepreneurs, and start building the haulage company you keep thinking about. Don't just watch trucks on YouTube. Own the company name on the door.